We can use place value to subtract whole numbers as well. So I'm going to write my number in expanded form. So that's writing each digit in the place value it actually has. So I have 1,000. And then I have 200. And then I have 0 tens, and I am actually going to put a 0 there. And I have 4 ones. And then I'm going to write my 638 the same way. So I have 600s. I have 3 tens. And I have 8 ones. Very first thing when I look at this, I think, man, I have a lot of, I wouldn't call them issues, but I see that like 4 subtract 8, 0 subtract 30, 2 subtract 600. We're going to have to do a lot of regrouping on this. So I'm going to start here at my 1,000. I'm just going to regroup my 1,000 over already because I know I need to do that. So I'm going to take my 1,000 and just regroup it over here. So instead of having 200, I'm going to write this as a 1,200. I just regrouped my 1,000 over here. Okay, then I know that I'm going to have to regroup into my tens as well. So I'm going to take one of my 1,200s that I just made, and I'm going to move it over here for 100. And that's going to leave me with 1,100. And then finally, I need to regroup my 10. I have a 4. I need to make this a 14. So I'm going to borrow 10 from here. So I'm only going to have 90 here. And now I'm going to have a 14 here. Now we're ready to subtract. So let's just go through, and we have 14 subtract 8. That gives us 6. We have 90 subtract 30. That gives us 60. We have 1,100 subtract 600, and that gives us 500. And then we don't have any thousands because we've regrouped all of them. And what we're going to do is recompose our number, I guess. So we're adding our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So this is really 566.